In this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch. So here's how we can do it. So go to the store, so just click on the store here, Nintendo eShop, open it up, choose the account which you want to download Fortnite for, just like that, and we're just gonna wait for Fortnite to load here. So it's gonna be the most bought or downloaded game, so it's gonna be easy to find it. Here, in case you don't see it, just use the search bar. So I'm gonna use the search bar here at the top. Okay, here, search, and we will type. So I'll just type out Fortnite. So it's very hard to do this with my phone, but just like that, type it. All right, done. Search, and it's gonna begin searching. And here, once we have typed Fortnite, it's gonna look like this. So it's gonna say either purchased or not purchased, but it's free, so that's how you can get it. And you download it by pressing the get button right here, or download button, but I already have it, that's why it says purchased. So that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.